Hello everyone, my name is Mohit and you are watching Python Parallel Programming series. In this video, I'm going to discuss the manager class. With the help of manager class, you can share list and dictionary. You know very well Python processes do not share list dictionary uh, data structure, but through the manager class object, the list, dictionary and queue can be shared. A manager class object controls a server process that holds Python objects and allows other process to manipulate them using proxy. So in very simple meaning, you can create list and dictionary by using the manager object. So manager is a class. Okay, so this is a syntax. So manager is a class and this is the mgr is object and this is a list created by the manager object. Now let's see the program. So I'm using Ubuntu Linux environment. So let's write a program from multiprocessing import process manager. Okay, here def worker function. Worker is a function. Here I'm specifying a list one and a number. Save it. And in this list I'm appending some value. What? That is num. And list by current process. Current process. Name and list right now. So we need to import current process here too. So let's create the manager object mgr man manager, and with the help of this mgr object I'm creating a list. Create two processes p1 process name. So name is I can set a name here like worker1 and target like worker because that's our function, and args argument. You know what we are going to pass. First is list one that is created by the mgr, and then any number 10, and similarly process p2, and here worker 2 list 1 and 20 number. Start both the process and join them means wait until both the process finish their task. Done. Now here I'm printing the final list. Done. Okay, let's clear this mistake. Here this must be join. I forget. Now completed, and now let's run it. So what I'm getting list by worker 2 and worker 1, this one, because both the worker 1 and worker 2, both the worker means both the processes simultaneously trying to access the list. Okay, doesn't matter worker 2 is accessing first, worker 1 is accessing first, both are trying to access at the same time. So now we are getting a list which contain the numbers append by both the processes. In this way, you can share the list, dictionary, and queue. Okay, in the next video, we will see the communication by the pipe, communication channel, pipe and queue. So stay with us, stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.